Hey everyone, Katrina Sawa here with Jumpstart Publishing, and I have another amazing book launch for you coming up next week. It's called The Power of Connection, and we are so excited to share this book with you because connection, I feel like we're more connected than ever with all the technology in the world, but we're actually as disconnected. We're more disconnected, aren't you? Don't you feel like disconnected sometimes? So this book is going to help you get more connected in so many different ways, not only with your business and your clients, but your family, yourself, your kids, so many things. And I have half of the authors here to share with you a little bit about what they've written about in the Power of Connection book that comes out July 14th, by the way. So mark your calendar. You're going to see it all over social this week and next week. And so I'm going to just kick it off with one of our first authors in the book, Tammy Clacking Bell. Tammy, tell them what you wrote about and why you're excited to be in this book.
Super excited to be in this book. It is my first time writing any type of to be published. I wrote about the power of manifestation and how manifesting and connecting with your higher self and your imbalances in your body to be taken away, to be able to connect to all those things. So it's super exciting, and I really am looking forward to this.
I'm excited for you. This is your first book, right?
Yes.
Yay. There's a lot of first time authors in this book. And so hopefully you guys will support them. Okay, Christine, tell us about your chapter and what you are writing about.
Yay, I'm so excited to be part of this book. It's a power of connection with your hormones because they're probably a hot mess. But we want to get to the foundation of it and talk about your nervous system and stress levels and lifestyle and how that actually runs the show, not just the chemical hormones. That is the powerful piece there. So, how do we support what's actually driving the hormones to go down and to make you feel like that hot mess? You'll find more information in there, and I can't wait for you to read it.
Yes, she helps me with my hormones. And this is for you too, men. Let me just tell you, because
Yeah.
guys need testing too. Just saying. Okay, Ashlyn, why don't you tell us a little bit about your chapter and what you're writing about?
Yeah, I'm really excited to be part of this book. So if you've ever wondered why your marketing isn't getting the results that you expect, that is what my chapter, The Power of Connecting with Your Audience, is all about. I share my Connect framework, which is a 7-step process for understanding your audience, building trust, and creating messaging that resonates. Because when people feel connected to your story, your brand, and your messaging, your marketing becomes less about convincing them and more about continuing a conversation. So thank you so much for letting me be a part of this,
Yay.
Katrina.
I'm so excited because I talk about marketing too, and this in your chapter is amazing. I already read all of them, they're so great. So I'm glad to have you in it. And then we have next, well, myself, I'm talking about visibility creates connection, and I'm talking about how to get more visible. And there's 3 different ways, and tell you in depth on different ways to be more visible in your business and how that connects more with everything you're doing and how it all flows together. So I'm excited to do that chapter as well. And then we've got Melissa Schultz. Why don't you tell us about your chapter?
Yeah, hi everyone. I am writing all about the power of connecting in parenting. And so I've spent the last couple decades working with supporting parents who have kids with like bigger feelings and bigger behaviors. And so I've just seen this trend over the last 2 decades of just more and more disconnection between parents and their kids, even though we love them so much. So my chapter is all about why that happens and exactly how we can fix that so we can be the connected parents that we really want to be.
Yeah. And I saw some things that I could fix in your chapter. Let me just tell you my own parenting. All right, April, tell us about your chapter and what you're writing about.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to be part of this group. We have such an amazing topic regarding the power of connections. And I wrote specifically on how important it is to be aligned with ourselves and how a calm, positive, present, powerful place in ourselves brings out the best in ourselves and others. And the more we can be happy and grounded, the better we can help everyone in our lives. And when you're calm and you have habits that are inspiring, it helps you show up and help others and and be the best you can be, and like live in a miracle zone that is so exciting and happy, free of
I love that.
stress, free
You
of
definitely live this. Let me just tell you. So her chapter is great because she is living proof of what she teaches, and it's connecting to your heart. And I loved that title too. And on top of these amazing five authors and myself, we have Designing for Connection by Marinda Freeman. We have The Butterfly Effect by Kristen Huggins. We have From Handshakes to Revenue by Ann Kenny. We have The Power of Connecting with Kindness by Jill Lublin. She's a, New York Times bestselling author. She's in this book. And then we have The Power of the Financial Shield by I can't say her last name, Nujen. Nujen, how do you? One of those letters is silent, and I can't remember. But New is amazing. She helps you with your financials and really looking at your money. And then we've got the foreword that's written by Mari Smith, the queen of Facebook. Like, she's a friend of mine, and I got her to write the foreword, and she's so excited to be in this book as well, but she couldn't be here. So we're excited for you all to read it. You can get the ebook for 99 cents in the US, and worldwide you can get it on July 14th. And if you see this video before then and you're willing to buy it and review the book ahead of time to give us a little momentum on the book launch so we can get to bestseller faster and easier, please put the word review below this video, and then we'll reach out to you and get you the links before the launch day. So you can do that on the Sunday before. And if you're international, we'll be talking to you. Put international so that we know to reach out to you on Monday. And then on Tuesday, the floodgates will open and everybody will buy the ebook for 99 cents. And we just ask for your support to get us all to international bestseller. I certainly don't need any more international bestselling books, as I have 23 or something of them now, but these authors do. So please, please, please help them get to international bestseller on launch day. Thank you so much, and we'll see you there.